Hey everyone, check out the original Queen Wear and Go Glueless Wig featuring a bob deep wave style with 180% density. This human hair wig has a full elastic 3D dome cap and adjustable straps for a secure fit without adhesive. It comes pre-plucked and pre-cut with a natural hairline, saving you time on customization. The Swiss lace front is large, flexible, and melts easily to match different skin tones. Its beginner-friendly design lets you wear it in just 30 seconds with no fuss. Enjoy voluminous, luscious curls that look natural and feel comfortable all day. This wig offers a convenient, healthy way to achieve a stunning hairstyle effortlessly. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.